promo. Guys, today I'm here at our famous alley of frozen food located at 374 Bukit Batok Street 31, unit number 01214. Okay guys, I would like to wish all Singaporeans a happy National Day. We are so happy that we are able to celebrate our 59th National Day. So with that, I would like to give you guys good news that we are going to do flash sale for our ready to eat products. Okay guys, basically there will be 5 different dishes that will be on sale. Okay, so if you would buy 8 packets of this RTE, it will normally cost you $68.80. But because of this flash sale in conjunction of our National Day, it will only be $59. Okay guys, so you can mix and match. So what are the 5 different dishes? Come, let me show you. Number 1, it will be our beef rendang. Okay guys, it won't be the street brand, okay guys, no, but it will be the normal beef rendang, sambal goreng pengantin, lemak cili padi, ayam masak merah, and also ayam rendang. Okay guys, so those are the 5 different dishes that you guys can mix and match. Okay guys, so head down to our frozen mart on Saturday and Sunday and enjoy authentic Malay food made traditionally. Okay guys, wishing all Singaporeans happy National Day and majulah Singapore.